Right, as you can see guys, we're installing Windows on that machine now. I don't have a key. Let's install Windows Pro. I accept. Next. Custom install. Delete that partition. That's where we want to install it on. SSD. And that's it. That's just going to install on there. I'm not going to bore you through the rest. Once that's done, we'll back. Almost there now, guys. Right, we're back. Still installing Windows. Okay, now we just choose our language. Everything's no. We click on everything's no. Windows 10 tends to collect a lot of information about you. And just like that, guys, we've installed Windows 10. Just plug in the USB Wi-Fi. Come up here. And, 1 sec. Just like that, we're connected to the internet. Performance, CPU, it's i5 3570 at 3.4 gigahertz. The RAM, 16 gigabyte, 2 used, 4 available. That's the SSD, 128 gigabyte. That's the hard drive for the games. Wi-Fi's kicking in the background. Everything's working. Windows 10 is not activated. Okay, there's all the updates that we can get. That was downloading. Right, so that's it guys. Thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next build. Remember guys, this is a budget PC. And let's go through the cost. The graphics card is a GTX 580 which cost £30 UK. The processor is i5 3570 which cost £30. The cooler £5 to cool the CPU. The power supply is new. You've seen the box open, and that cost £35. The hard drive for the games, it's a 500GB, and that cost £10. SSD costs £20. That's 128GB, and the RAM cost £40 for 16GB. The case was from an old computer, but if you had to buy a case, that's another £30. And I think practically that's it. Yep, so that's all the build there guys, and we'll see you next time.